Chapter 9, Reproduction in Animals. The topic is development of embryo. In this process, the male gamete, that is the sperm, and the female gamete, that is the ova or the egg, they fuse with each other. This process is termed as fertilization. The process in which this fusion takes place inside the body of female, that is termed as internal fertilization, whereas the process in which this process of fusion of gametes takes place outside the body of female, that is termed as external fertilization. We are talking about the reproduction in animals, or in the especially in the case of human beings. So here the process of internal fertilization will be carried out. The result is a zygote is formed. Zygote is a fertilized egg. There was a female egg. The female ovum or the female egg is fertilized with the sperm. Now that fertilized egg is termed as zygote. This structure, this zygote, it divides and forms a ball of cells. Now here you can see a ball of cells are there. Many cells are there inside this ball-like structure. Now when many cells are present, they group together. We know when the cells group together, they are termed as tissues. When the tissues group together, they form organs. And when these organs, they start functioning, now the developing structure which is having the organs, that is termed as embryo. So zygote was just a fertilized egg. In this zygote, the many cells are formed. When these cells, they divide to form tissues as well as organ, then that structure is termed as embryo. So embryo is having the organs. Many organs are there in embryo. Now this embryo that gets fixed in the wall of the uterus. We know that the egg is produced in the ovary. From the ovary, it moves to the fallopian tube or the oviducts. From the oviducts, it will reach inside the uterus. Here the development will take place. Now the embryo gets embedded in the wall of the uterus. This embryo will develop body parts here. Now the organs which were there, these organs will coordinate with each other and the organ systems will be formed, such as head will be there, legs will be there, hands, eyes, ears. Now you can identify the body parts. So this particular stage, the stage of the embryo in which all the body parts can be identified, is called fetus. Now this particular stage is called as fetus, in which the body parts can be identified. And when the development of fetus is complete, a baby is born. So this is the complete development from the embryo to the baby. So first of all, fusion will take place, then zygote will be formed. After that, the tissues will be there, then organs will be formed, then embryo. This structure will be termed as embryo. When the embryo further grows and the organs are identified, then it is termed as fetus. When the development of fetus is complete, a baby is born. So this is about the development of the embryo.